Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, fellow food adventurers, to A Taste of the Wild. Today, we're diving into the world of Sandhill crane, often called the rye of the sky. This magnificent bird offers a truly unique culinary experience. It's surprisingly tender, with a deep, rich flavor that many compare to the finest cuts of beef. Get ready to discover how to prepare this incredible game bird. First things first, proper preparation is key. After harvesting, you'll need to clean and dress your crane carefully. Many hunters choose to skin the bird, as plucking can be quite a chore. Once cleaned, a short brine or marinade can work wonders. This step helps tenderize the meat and locks in moisture, ensuring a delicious and juicy final product. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Sandhill crane meat truly shines with methods that keep it tender and moist. Think pan-searing the breasts quickly or grilling them to a perfect medium rare, just like a steak. If you're working with legs, a slow braise or roast will break down the tougher fibers beautifully. The key is to avoid overcooking, which can dry out this lean meat. Sandhill crane's rich, beef-like flavor pairs wonderfully with bold accompaniments. Imagine serving it with a dark cherry reduction, a rich mushroom sauce, or even a classic red wine pan sauce. For sides, roasted root vegetables, creamy polenta, or a wild rice pilaf enhance the meal perfectly. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors that stand up to its distinctive taste. Before you head out, remember to always check your local and state hunting regulations for Sandhill crane, as they vary widely. Ethical sourcing and careful handling are paramount for any wild game. With a little preparation and proper cooking, you'll create an unforgettable meal. Enjoy the incredible taste of this truly special bird, knowing you've prepared it respectfully and deliciously.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.